Hi there! In this DFY Super Affiliate Review, I'm going to show you a done-for-you system that lets you earn affiliate commissions without building websites, running ads, or doing the hard work yourself. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what's inside before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab DFY Super Affiliate through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is DFY Super Affiliate? DFY Super Affiliate is a turnkey affiliate marketing system created by James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier, two Comma Club award winners who've made millions online. This system is designed for anyone who wants to start earning commissions quickly, even if you have zero experience. No websites to build, no paid ads required, no complicated tech skills needed. With DFY Super Affiliate, you plug into a proven system, follow a simple step-by-step process, and start earning commissions from low-ticket, mid-ticket, and high-ticket offers. Sounds too good to be true? Let's break it down further. How does it work? It's super simple. Step 1. Sign up and activate your done-for-you system. Step 2. Follow the training and start driving traffic. They show you how. Step 3. Earn commissions from multiple income streams. There's no trial and error, no figuring things out. James and Max already built everything. You just plug in and profit. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. What's inside DFY Super Affiliate? Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Done for you setup. No need to build anything from scratch. Multiple revenue streams. Earn from low, mid, and high ticket offers. No need for paid traffic. They show you how to get free traffic. Works for complete beginners. No experience. No problem. Award-winning strategy. Built by marketers with a proven track record. This system removes all the hard work so you can focus on making commissions.
James and Max here, and welcome to Done For You Super Affiliate. We are two Comma Club award winners. We've had crazy success, and now we're getting students just like yourself crushing it, being true super affiliates. Now, what does that mean? Max right now, he's in Thailand. He truly lives the laptop lifestyle. I have this fake background with a pool, but I've got a pool that I look out outside every day at my house. Why are we able to do that? We're able to do that because we can crush it on demand being affiliates. And here's the secret sauce. You don't need a following. You don't need a traffic. You just need something that works. You just need a system that you can plug yourself into. See, we've sold hundreds of thousands of products, and we've talked to people over and over again over the years. And the number one thing people say is, look, we love your tactics. We love all these crazy things you do, but can't you just plug us into a system that we can make something that works for us? And that's the beauty of the Done For You Super Affiliate System. We give you every single thing you need that you can just plug into it and start making sales. So if you want something that simply works, if you want to do something that seven-figure marketers are doing that works, if you want to do something that allows me to get to sit by my pool, that allows Max to travel the world, then you want to be a part of this. It doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter your experience. Again, no need for a following, no need for paid traffic. All you need to do is plug yourself into a system. And Done For You Super Affiliate is it. Again, we've got the 7 figures plus worth of results. We've got student after student crushing it with this method. This thing works and you can be a part of it. Max?
Yeah, guys, so we really give you everything done for you. We've been in the online marketing space for 30 plus years combined. We know what works, we know what we are doing, and we have tested all of these things that you'll get from us as a member of Done For You Super Affiliate. Everything has been tested, it's proven to convert, and now you can insert yourself into our business basically. So you'll get everything done for you so that you don't have to do any of the guesswork, everything tested. and we'll deliver it to you on a silver platter, basically. So I'm in Thailand right now. I've been to the beach today. It was a pretty nice day today. But I am only able to do this because of online marketing. Like if I wasn't here right now, and if it wasn't for online marketing, I would most likely be stuck in a job at home, a job that I don't like. And if you're in that situation, just make sure to click the link down below this video now. Join us, because once again, this is done for you. We have tested it, it's proven to work, and we hand it over to you on a silver platter. So once again, click the link down below. You will not regret it. And then, yeah, we're gonna see you inside.
DFY Super Affiliate Upgrades, OTOs. After purchasing the main product, here's what you'll see in the upgrade funnel. OTO 1, Pro Upgrade, unlocks advanced features and removes restrictions. OTO 2, Done For You package. They set up everything for you. OTO 3, High Ticket Training, learn how to earn 1,000 plus commissions. OTO 4, DFY Funnels and Traffic System. Get pre-built funnels and their traffic secrets. OTO 5, Reseller Rights, sell DFY Super Affiliate and keep 100% commissions. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like about DFY Super Affiliate: it's beginner friendly, perfect if you don't want to build anything yourself. Multiple income streams, earn from low, mid, and high ticket commissions. No paid ads required. You don't need a big ad budget to start. Fast results. Some users see commissions within days. What could be improved? It's not free. There's an initial investment to get started. No guarantee of success. Like any business, your results depend on your effort. That said, if you're looking for a done-for-you system that actually works, DFY Super Affiliate is a solid choice. Final verdict: should you get DFY Super Affiliate? If you're tired of struggling to make money online and want a proven plug-and-play system, DFY Super Affiliate is a great option. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting inside Warrior Plus. Click the link below to get instant access. Thanks for watching my DFY Super Affiliate review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.